Follow these steps to replace the glass in your Model 3605 or Model 3606 vending machine. Supplies you need include replacement glass with VHB applied, 2 or 3 3M primer sticks, a paint scraper, 3M stripe-off wheel, hand drill, rag and rubbing alcohol, 1 3/4 inch rubber roller, and a small hammer. You should also wear protective gloves and glasses. Make sure the machine is turned off and unplugged. Use a paint scraper to remove the glass remnants from the door frame. Then clean the VHB adhesive residue from the door frame. Either use a scraper or a 3M Products decal removal tool and a hand drill. The tape can also be rolled off by hand. If a drill and decal removal tool is used, caution must be used so you don't damage other cosmetic components of the door. Once the frame is free of glass and VHB residue, wipe down the frame where the glass will sit. Use an alcohol water mixture to degrease. Push hard on the dot on the 3M primer stick to release the fluid. Coat the surface of the door frame using the sponge tip. Prepare the replacement glass by removing the red backing on the back face of the glass. Make sure this logo is on the bottom left side of the door. Stabilize the door by closing and locking the T-handle. Lift the glass into place, resting the lower edge upon the aluminum extrusion and holding the upper edge of the glass out away from the door. Align the glass to the opening and lean the glass into place. Once the glass is securely pressed back into the frame, apply solid, even pressure around the perimeter. This will engage the glass. This is best done using a rubber roller, but can be done by hand as well. For more information, contact Vendnet technical support at 1-800-833-4411 or email service@vendnetusa.com.